राइस विद वीमेन की सीरीज में मैं वातिका जैन आप सभी का बहुत-बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। तो आज है हमारे साथ नीना खंडेलवाल। सो नीना, हाउ आर यू?
गुड, आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम ऑल्सो गुड। कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा। थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी हियर।
तो 40 बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने का मौका भी देता है,
आई नो।
जो कि फीमेल्स के साथ ये रहता है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पाती हैं, स्पेशली जब उनको कोई पॉडकास्ट करना होता है।
Yeah, usually 40 gives you all kind of a platform, not only to, mingle with your friends, doing business with them, but they give you a lot of opportunity in itself.
विद समवन मोर एक्सपीरियंस।
Yeah.
सो एज़ अ बिज़नेस एंटरप्रेन्योर आप अपनी जर्नी को कैसे शेयर करना चाहेंगी? क्या शेयर करना चाहेंगी हमारे साथ?
This journey started 2 decades back when my family needs one more helping hand. That's how I started my journey. And in during my free hours, free time, I used to make itinerary for my friends. I used to plan their vacation. And, I realized that I met with so compliment and heartfelt appreciation from them. And one of my close friend, told me, why don't you start it doing professionally? And that's how I started my company called Vinayak Tour and the Pink Planet.
Oh, that's great. So wish you very all the best.
Thank you.
So Nina, how did you get associate with Poti organization?
Basically, I don't belong to Jaipur. Recently, we shifted here, and while talking to one of my close friend, and I was asking her, ki, yeah, tell me something, a good social platform where we can meet and have a gathering. But I really wanted to have a like-minded people also at the same time. So she told me about this 40, and I joined it, and since then there is no looking back.
Yeah,
Believe me.
that's a good experience. So what does Foti mean to you personally and professionally both?
Yeah, so personally, if you talk about, you get a chance to foster a very good social relationship. You meet with like minded people, as I said. There, you hone your skills, you exchange experiences, you learn from them, or then, you hone your skills. On a personal level, I really like that place. You love
It's
interacting,
exactly.
yeah, interacting with those like minded people, there you definitely from learn their experiences and share your skills with them. On a professional level, I should say that there is a lot of this platform gives you uh, definitely promote your business in many ways. You get access to government policies, government grants also at times, because being secluded in a doing your business alone doesn't help you that way.
Yeah.
But when you are there in this organization, you get mentoring, you get referrals. So
A kind of a bond.
it's a kind of a social bond, definitely.
Yes. So Nina, what kind of advice, what kind of suggestions would you like to give young entrepreneurs?
Yeah, so I would suggest them, really that they should be focused in their life, should be hardworking and diligent, should at the same time they have to be very flexible and, accept the ups and downs of the never give up attitude they should have. And I personally tell them, they should go all out for the networking because, networking only not only helps you mentoring, giving you referrals in life, but they hone your skills also at the same time. So
So do you believe networking and licensing is must?
is very important, especially when you are in that kind of a job or you are in a new business that requires the most.
Okay, great. So thank you so much and wish you very all the best.
Thank you so much.